Let me guess. You're still updating your YouTube videos one by one. You know the feeling, right? You rebrand, you change a social media handle, or an affiliate link you've got buried in 200 video descriptions suddenly dies. The thought of opening every single video, clicking into the editor, finding the text, changing it, and hitting save 200 times, it's absolutely soul-crushing. What if I told you there's a TubeBuddy tool that most creators completely overlook, and it's the secret to optimizing your entire video library in just a few clicks? I'm not exaggerating. This is the growth cheat code you've been looking for, and it has personally saved me hundreds, if not thousands, of hours. And today I'm showing you exactly how it works. Let's get real about this problem, because I think a lot of us just accept this pain as part of the job. It's not. Imagine you have a library of 150 videos. It takes, maybe 3 minutes to update one video description? You have to find the video, open the editor, make the change, double-check it, save it, and then move on. 3 minutes per video times 150 videos. That's 450 minutes. That is 7.5 hours of your life gone, spent on a single mind-numbing task. What could you do with an extra 7.5 hours? You could script and film 2 new videos. You could do some deep keyword research for your next 5 videos. You could even A/B test a dozen thumbnails to boost your click-through rate. But instead, you're stuck on a digital assembly line, doing a job a machine should be doing for you. And this problem just gets worse over time. Maybe last year you were promoting a product, and now there's a new version out. Every link in your descriptions now points to an old, outdated page. That's literally lost revenue. Or maybe you switched your main call to action from a Discord server to a newsletter. How do you make sure every video is consistent? And the classic one I see all the time. You changed your handle from Twitter to X. Now you have hundreds of videos with a dead link, making your channel look outdated and unprofessional. This one-by-one process doesn't just waste your time, it actively holds your channel back. All right, enough complaining. Let's talk about the solution. The answer is a feature inside TubeBuddy called bulk processing. Now, most people know TubeBuddy for its Keyword Explorer or SEO Studio, but the bulk processing tools are where the real, tangible time saving happens. This is the feature that separates the creators who just grind from the creators who grow efficiently. It's a set of tools built to perform massive actions across your video library, turning hours of tedious work into a task that takes less than 5 minutes. I'm talking about finding a specific piece of text, a link, a phrase, across every single video on your channel and replacing it with something new all at once. I'm talking about adding a promo link to the end of every description for a limited time sale. I'm talking about standardizing the calls to action on an entire playlist. This is how you reclaim those lost hours and put them back into what actually matters, creating great content that grows your channel. For years, this has been my secret weapon. When I need to make a channel-wide change, I don't even flinch. I don't sit there calculating how many hours it'll take. I just open up this tool, set the command, and let it run in the background while I go grab a coffee. Now, let me show you how you can do the exact same thing. Okay, let's get into the good stuff. I'm going to walk you through the most powerful tool in this whole suite, the Find, Replace, and Append tool. We'll use a super common example. Let's say a company just gave you a custom, nice-looking vanity URL for an affiliate link, and you want to replace the old, ugly one. First, head over to your YouTube studio. On the left-hand side, click on the Content tab to see your list of videos. Because you have TubeBuddy installed, you'll see a new drop-down menu at the top of this list that says Bulk and Miscellaneous Tools. This is our treasure chest. Click on that drop-down. You'll see a few options, but the one we want right now is Find and Replace Text. Go ahead and click it. This opens up the Bulk Find, Replace, and Append tool. It looks simple, but trust me, it's powerful. You get a drop-down menu of actions. You can just find text to see which videos have a certain phrase. You can insert after text, which is perfect for adding a new sentence after a line that repeats in your descriptions. You can add text to end of description. Awesome for channel-wide promos. You can even replace entire description, but please be careful with that one. For our example, we'll select Find and Replace Text. 2 boxes pop up. Find text and replace with. In the Find Text box, you're going to paste the entire old, ugly affiliate link you want to nuke. Be exact here. Copy and paste it directly from an old description. In the Replace With box, paste your new custom vanity URL. You can mess with case sensitivity below, but for links, you can just leave it unchecked. Now for the magic. TubeBuddy will ask which videos you want to apply this to. We'll choose to search our entire list of videos, but you could also choose to only update videos in a specific playlist, which is amazing for targeted campaigns. Click Continue. TubeBuddy will now scan your channel and show you a list of every single video that contains the old link. Let's say it finds 150 videos. You can look over the list to make sure it's right. At the top, there's a Select All checkbox. Click it. All 150 videos are now selected. Click the blue Continue button. TubeBuddy gives you one last confirmation. It'll say something like, "Are you sure you want to find your old link and replace it with your new link in 150 videos?" Read it carefully. Once you start this, it's going live. If you're ready, hit the green Start button. And that's it. You can literally walk away from your computer. TubeBuddy is now doing all that work for you, opening every video, finding the text, replacing it, and saving. That 7.5 hours of manual labor we talked about, it's now being done in minutes, completely hands-free. Hey, if your mind is already blown thinking about how much time this will save you, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. I share time-saving hacks like this every single week. And if you want to try TubeBuddy and get your hands on these bulk tools, I've got a link in the description that gives you a free trial. As amazing as Find and Replace is, that's just scratching the surface. The bulk processing suite has other tools that solve some massive headaches for creators. Let's talk end screens. That's valuable real estate for guiding viewers to more of your content. But what happens when you launch a new flagship series and want all your old videos to point to it? Editing hundreds of end screens by hand is a total nightmare. With TubeBuddy's bulk copy end screens tool, it's ridiculously easy. You can design the perfect end screen on one video, with your new playlist, a subscribe button, whatever, and then copy that exact template to hundreds of other videos instantly. The same idea applies to cards. Those little info cards that pop up are great for callouts. The bulk copy cards tool lets you add or update cards across tons of videos at once. Imagine you mention a specific tool in 50 different videos. You can use the bulk tool to add a card with an affiliate link for that tool to all 50 of those videos in a single action. Finally, there's a really cool tool for bulk thumbnail overlays. Let's say you're running a special sale or you've updated a series of old tutorials. You can use this to add a small banner, like 2025 update or sale, to the corner of your thumbnails for all videos in a specific playlist. It's a great way to visually refresh old content and signal to viewers that something new is going on, which can seriously boost click-through rates. Look, this is about more than just convenience. Using these tools fundamentally changes how you run your channel, and it directly fuels your growth. Every hour you save on these boring, low-impact tasks is an hour you can pour back into high-impact creative work. That 7.5 hours we saved? That's now time you can spend scripting a better story, researching a more viral video idea, or engaging with your community in the comments. Growing on YouTube is all about making smart, consistent efforts. The bulk processing tool automates the busy work, freeing you up to focus on the creative strategy that actually builds an audience and gets views. It lets you be more agile and ensures your entire library of content is always optimized and working for you. So please, stop the manual grind. The idea that you have to waste hours updating old content is a myth. You just need the right tool for the job, and TubeBuddy's bulk processing feature is that tool. It's the cheat code to working smarter, not harder, and it gives you back your most valuable asset, your time. Take back your time and start optimizing your channel the smart way. Check out the link in my description to get a free trial of TubeBuddy and try these bulk tools for yourself. And while you're down there, make sure you're subscribed for more strategies to grow your channel. Now, go check out this video on the screen right here to learn another YouTube growth secret. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Click the link at the bottom of the description. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.